Hello everyone, my name is Shunan.
My name is Elaine.
My name is Iha.
We're three graduate students from course 11 and course 1. So our team name is houseMatters. We hope to build a platform that not only integrates and aggregates the housing data across the greater Boston area for researchers to analyze the housing pattern in terms of the housing type and the housing price, but we also want to provide tenants and the landlords the customized information about the available units. We are going to use the data on Craigslist and map the rent units individually and aggregately. So while we care, we hope to build a platform that can show the spatial and temporal information for three different stakeholders, which are landlords, tenants, and researchers.
So based on our three targets, we're envisioning three functions for our platform. First, we're going to spatially visualize housing options for tenants. Say I'm a MIT graduate with a $1,000 monthly rent, and I want to live close to MIT. What I want to have is that I have my budget for rent, I have my location preference, so the platform can show me where my housing option geographically. Second, we are thinking of doing a test analysis for Craigslist posts. Say I'm a landlord, I wanted to understand in my community what my other competitors, say other landlords, are advertising for their house, so which make me have a better sense of what kind of community we're having and what's the reasonable price I should post on Craigslist. The third function is that we're going to use aggregate data, and we are serving researchers using this function. We will aggregate our house price and house rent data at census tract level. So for a researcher, he or she could use the data to analyze how does different type of house distributed across Great Boston area, how does housing with different pricing distributes over Boston, and how does renting price relate to income.
And for all these our project purpose, we have three different parts, including web page setup, data analysis, and data visualization. So there are some techniques we need to use. The first about web page setup, we need to use SQL, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and maybe Google Map API. And for data analysis, we need to use Google Chart, some NPM modules like Cheerio and require function. And the third about data visualization, maybe we need to use ArcGIS, Carto, and Mapbox. As all these techniques and all these functions we need to focus on, we have faced some risks. The first risk is that the data structure of Craigslist is so complex and need to be cleaned. It needs quite a lot of effort. And the second is that we realized the workload is very huge. We have not decided whether we still focus on the Great Boston area or just selecting only 3 or 2 different cities in Boston area. The third risk is that we have a huge data set. We will have to decide whether to store our data locally or on the cloud.
So to sum up, for the next step, we are going to access the Craigslist dataset and clean the raw data. And next, we are going to visualize data spatially and temporally. Finally, we are setting up our website. So we realized that we are pretty ambitious about this project. So because we're using both individual and aggregate level data, so we really look forward to your feedback. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.